Welcome to our YouTube video on arc welding. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what arc welding is in manufacturing engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Arc welding is a welding process that uses an electric arc to generate intense heat, melting and fusing metals together to create a strong joint. Think of arc welding like a lightning bolt. The electric arc produces extreme heat that melts metal, allowing it to fuse solidly once cooled. So, why is arc welding so beneficial? Because it is one of the most versatile and widely used welding methods, capable of joining a wide range of metals in industries such as construction, shipbuilding, pipelines, and automotive manufacturing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.